In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Galaxy Tab A8 with keyboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your Samsung tablet and connect it with a keyboard. Keep in mind that these steps are going to apply for any model of Samsung Galaxy tablet or even from other manufacturers. This method will be done using Bluetooth. If your specific keyboard doesn't support Bluetooth, I'm going to talk about other alternative options that you have, so keep watching until the end. But for most keyboards designed to be used with tablets and mobile devices, they will have Bluetooth natively built into them. So to start, go over to the settings on your Samsung tablet and find the Bluetooth category. Usually it is going to be under connections, and then you can select Bluetooth. Now make sure that it is enabled, and now it's time to set up the keyboard. Like I said, most keyboards designed to be used with mobile devices will have Bluetooth options. So as you can see, for this Logitech keyboard, you can find the Bluetooth icons on these different keys here at the top. So all that you have to do is use a combination of buttons to set them into pairing mode. Sadly, I cannot give you instructions for every single brand and every single keyboard model out there, so I highly recommend checking the manual. So look on the manual on how to set your specific keyboard to pairing mode. Once the keyboard is in pairing mode, it is now going to be discoverable by other devices that have Bluetooth. So on your Samsung tablet's screen, it is now going to appear under the list of available devices, as long as it was set to pairing mode. Choose the keyboard from the list of available devices, and immediately upon selecting it, it is going to remain connected until it runs out of battery. With the device connected, you are good to go. You might have to confirm this connection by typing a numerical sequence that appears on the tablet's screen. So if needed, press the respective buttons in order and then press enter. Just follow the instructions on screen to verify the connection, and after this is done, you are good to go. Instead of the usual touch keyboard, you will be able to use the physical one. If your keyboard does not support Bluetooth, then you will either have to use a wired connection with one end of the cable going into the tablet and another one into the keyboard, or you might have a USB wireless dongle. This dongle plugs into any of the ports available on the tablet, and then the keyboard will wirelessly pair to the dongle. Like I said, check the manual to see the connection types for your specific keyboard model. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Galaxy Tab A8 with keyboard. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.